what happened to me was when I used to drive and I used to apply my brakes, and when I used to get off my brakes, the brakes still used to be stuck slightly when I used to set off. So I've cleaned my front ones, so I know it's not my front ones. Now it's time to look at the back ones. The gloves on. Okay guys, first things first is remove the handbrake. Put the handbrake down. Make sure your handbrake's down. Okay, handbrake's down. Now let's have a look. Let's have a look what we're dealing with. So we've got a vented disc with just a standard caliper. There's no bolt in the top, it's just a bolt at the bottom. So first things first, let's push the piston back. You want to make sure that you're not trying to pull the disc, because obviously the disc won't move. So what you do is you wedge the screwdriver from the disc and the caliper, so when you are pulling, it's pulling the caliper and pushing the piston in like that. Okay, what size is that? It looks like a 12. Let's get 12 mil. Okay. Ooh, tight fit with the breaker thing. That looks pretty greased up, so that's not the problem. So we know it's not sticking at the bottom. This one's pretty free at the top. Let's inspect the brake pads. That one's free, so we know it's not this side that's sticking. But since we're here, let's give it a little clean up. Bit of dirt stuck in there. I don't know if you can see these little bits falling. A little bit of dirt. Let's take the pad out. Just clean up around here. Look inside, check the rubber of the piston. That looks okay. It's got a little slot in one of them, but it doesn't look to be gone through. Still looks okay. Let's put this side pad in. This side pad's fine. Let's take this side pad out. Looks very clean in there. Pads are in good condition. Piston goes back, so we're fine this side. Check the handbrake's not sticking. No, that's fine. You won't get much spin on this, obviously, because of it being 4-wheel drive. It takes a lot of effort to twist this, but that's not stuck either. Let's go inspect the other side now. Same again. Let's push the caliper back. Oh, it's a bit tougher, this one. Caliper is going back. That's all the way back. Right, okay. This bolt has also got grease in it. This is also free. So it might have been just a case. Ah, right. These are stuck in there a bit tight. So I might just need taking out. Look, I see how stuck that is. It's in there really tight. Really tight. Look, the bottom don't even want to pop. Piece of dirt stuck in there. That's out. But yeah, that's fine. Piston looks fine. Back pads are okay. So what it looks like is dirt in the pad. So this was this side pad, and it has overheated slightly, as you can see. It started to bubble slightly here, But what I'm thinking is why it's doing that, because it was stuck in here pretty tight. Bottom side in first. Yeah, look. See how tight it is in there? It is very tight. But that shouldn't be too much of a problem. It's not as tight as the front ones. I think there might have just been a bit of dirt stuck into the back of these. So that's fine, that. It's not like it's got loads stuck in it, because it should have a bit of grip in it. Ah, look, it's stuck now. Right, see if I can clean a bit of the inside here, just with the screwdriver. So we're in luck that our pistons are not seized, and these pins here are not seized, because usually what happens is sometimes these pins seize here. You're seeing that? You can see this. Sometimes these get seized. That looks pretty good. So I always check them. Let's try now. Let's give these a little clean as well. Got a bit of brake dust in them, not much though. Okay. Let's try now. Here. A lot better. See how it just sits in there nice. And make sure you do put the same pad, brake pad, back in the one that come out. So if that back one come out, put the back one in the back, because it'll be shaped to that side disc. Alright, let's get the bolt, put the bolt back in. It's good that someone's put some grease on this. If you don't know what, if yours doesn't have no grease in these bolts, I'd recommend putting copper grease on, because you want copper grease on these bolts. Copper grease is a high temperature grease that won't boil up as quick as normal ones. But yeah, we'll clean all them up another day, because we'll probably paint these. So if you want to suggest what colour we paint this, drop it in the comments below. What colour you think we should spray our back calipers. And literally that's it. What did it take us? What? 16 minutes. So yeah, literally it just took us 16 minutes to clean both back pistons. Luckily the pistons were not seized and the calipers were free. So literally just little bits like this that could improve your braking, and it will not, excuse me, and will help it from seizing. So yeah, just little hints and tips like this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to check out my other car videos. I literally started recording everything now, so just it's worth having a look, and see you in the next one.